My name is Karine Shal, and I play the role of Monique.
My name is Sheila Mukomb. You know, I play the role of Beatrice.
Hello, first and foremost, my name is Duke Extra. I play the role of Patrick and Natalie.
A little bit about myself, if you would like to know. Well, you know, I'm a mother of 3, and I'm from Cape Haitian, actually, La Belle Capoise.
I'm from Haiti. I'm from Port-au-Prince, of course. That's about it. About me, I'm a little outgoing, you know, a little shy at first, but you know, you get me. Premier commencement, c'était dans m'te font paraître dans Mamie en action. M'te font paraître, mais c'est premier bagage moi t'ai fait. Mais m'te toujours aimé, m'pas jamais gen chance, yo te bon mon chance, m'te toujours aimé. Après ça m'te vinn paraître non show, ça te passe USA 50-50. Yes, of course, I play along Duke, Patrick, yes. And tout ça, c'est son bagage moi aimé, depuis petit, m'te toujours aimé, m'apprécier, so m'ta aimé avancer puis devant.
I was born and raised in Miami, Florida. I attend FAU, Florida Atlantic University, majoring in Management Information Systems, minoring in Business. I mean, I'm a nonchalant person, you know, nice going guy, adventurous, love to do stuff, like to hang out, you know. That's all. Simple.
The character that I play in the movie Natalie is actually it's basically about a girl, you know, that's trying to, you know, achieve her goals in life with, you know, basic American, you know, needs, which is you know, trying to establish herself, going to school, you know, trying to get somewhere in life. Want that American dream in terms of, you know, having a husband, you know, kids, you know, being married, and all that basic, simple things that everybody want, all of us need in our life, basically.
My role as Beatrice, well, Samuel, which is the director, he wanted somebody like, you know, a cheche, like you said it. And I think I did a pretty good job, you know, whereas I'm here, I'm trying to seduce this boy, et il va vouloir rien pour le faire avec, so, you know.
Patrick, he's a regular, he's a decent guy, you know, and you know, he just comes into this new world and he's new to everything, so, you know, he's taking it one day at a time. He has a cousin that lives down here or whatever, and he sees how good his cousin is doing. So he's just trying to, you know,
The story about Natalie is, well, 2 friends that are growing up. You know, they see each other like sisters that really love each other. And Monique just having, you know, just Natalie as a friend, as a, you know, that's just the only person I can say that's like her backbone or whatnot. And it shows you how friends actually can turn out on you, can betray you, you know. So at times in life you cannot honestly depend on nobody else, no one else in life but yourself, and then the person, that man that's upstairs.
Great story, great story. It's one of those stories that once you start reading it, you think you know what's going on, but like halfway down you have a different outlook on what's going on in the movie. And in the 3rd quarter, you're like, no, this is gonna happen. In the 4th quarter, you're like, oh my God, I can't believe, you know, what just happened. Like, it's a lot of suspense, you know. It's like a thriller movie. It just captures you, and you just have to watch. It's like one of those movies where, you know, when you have to go to the bathroom real bad, but you don't want to leave because you don't want to miss a part. I mean, it's awesome.
Pour moi, histoire Natalie, c'est une histoire qui passe chaque jour qu'on y a là. C'est ça que je dis. Parce que qu'on y a là, où en pile monde qui tué monde et puis tué tête, ce sont des gens qui ont des problèmes mentaux. So histoire Natalie, son histoire pour moi qui est vraie. Comme on vient te dire que tout le monde a Natalie la caillou. C'est comme ça que je vais un simple exemple d'un professeur qui était fait pharmacologie pour moi. Et puis, il est toujours à expliquer nous que les gens qui ont 12 personnalités ou bien qui ont problème mental, faut qu'on fait très attention avec eux parce que ka fait n'importe action n'importe quelle heure. Et pourtant problème nan te la kali pas jamais moi ça. Et quand ça vient mourir parce que frère tué, les gon frère qui pas jamais parler, toujours quiet et puis tout d'un coup frère arrêter d'exploser. Et puis il tué ni maman ni professeur nan qui est seul et puis il tué tête après.
Natalie lost her dad. Li perdi papa bien jeune depuis là ça. Li créé un monde que la parle avec, you know. Ou qu'on a conduit dans la rue sometimes, ou sous volant, ou tellement gen problème, ou commence à parler avec tête. Mais ou pas agir dans qu'on Natalie, no, but you know, a little bit.
After this movie, I see things from a different perspective. D'une autre façon, parce que it's like you can be living amongst certain people and never know what type of problems they may have, and you shouldn't treat them different because people with mental disorders, like, it usually takes one thing to just trigger them off. You know, now, I mean, if I see somebody with a mental disorder, I'll be real nice to them, you know. Treat them like they're regular people just like me and you. You know, a lot of people are born with this disorder. It's not their fault, you know, but you shouldn't treat them any differently.
Ça me vient ouais, exemple que m'ka bay pour moun qui gade movie ça. Et même là on l'autre monde pas ta regarder, nous ka expliquer de un monde si on a un problème ça la caillou après on fin garder Natalie, faut chita garder tout petit monde la caillou pour vraiment prêter attention avec petit monde la caillou.
I enjoyed the shooting very much so, and it was very nice. At times it was very hard, and a lot of circumstances did come up, but you know, after all, the outcoming of it, you know, it was a wonderful thing.
Tournage nan te vraiment fun. Nous te enjoy li parce que tout le monde te réuni ensemble, c'est pas movie seulement te là, tout ça t'a passé, tout le monde te vraiment focus. Oui, les shooting mais tout le monde te focus, but avant et après toujours gain joke, then m'enjoy li. Te enjoy li un peu.
My first casting day, as a matter of fact. The first day I had to act, that was the day of the sex scene, so I just had to go with it and improvise. And I mean, at first it was uncomfortable, but you know, Monique is such a great, I see you over there, okay. She's such a great, you know, actress or whatever. She made me feel, you know, comfortable. Everybody was around, and I mean, after a while, I just started getting into it, and everything just sort of, you know, just fell into place, you know. This was a great experience for me, you know. I got to play amongst, you know, a lovely cast, you know, very talented. I mean, I don't even know what to say. I mean, it was so great, you know. I'm overwhelmed, you know. I'm honored to actually be involved in this type of a movie, you know, and amongst so much wonderful people.
Tout le projet c'était un bagay différent. Vous comprenez? C'était un bagay out of this world. It was like il était patient. We had fun, you know. It's all about this. Ou pas venir sur cette live with just all serious all the time. When it's action, tout le monde aller dans character and then do what you can. But if you cannot get it for some reason, he's there. He's helping you. You know, his wife was good. She helped me a lot. She's like, pas faire bail comme ça. Fais ça, fais this, fais that, you know. Nice experience. To me, nice experience.
Samuel, I mean, he's the best. Can't say nothing else other than that. I've never seen, I mean, I've watched a couple of Haitian movies, and beaucoup j'aime un directeur that can, the way you think is like, is out of this world, you know. Parce que dans tout film là, we didn't know exactly, you know, what was going on. Samuel would give us a script. I would say we would act out the script, but we'll still be puzzled. On va comprendre ça que t'as fait. We didn't understand the whole story. Pour moi-même, je pensais que je mourir dans tout film là. And it's at the end, at the grand premiere, I found out that I stayed alive. Like, he surprised us all, you know. He really didn't let us know what was going on exactly in his head. So, I mean, Samuel, man, he's a great director, you know. Number one.
Haitian cinema, I think, and I feel as if though, you know, it just, with Samuel Vincent's movie, not just because I play in it, but has just reached to a whole different level, you know. It has reached to a complete different level because Samuel, I think of him as a honestly a very, very great producer. I think I have of him as one of the best Haitian producers there is out here right now. You know, and I have to hand it to him.
Movie haïtien, it's coming along. La vini. Li poko quiet there no, but la vini. If we have more Samuel and there's other good people out there, if you have them, we're gonna make it. We're gonna beat this. We're gonna do everything.
Now, after this movie, I think Haitian movies will be, on their way back up. And we have a new movie coming out, La Trace, I believe it's called. So, I mean, movies like that, I think you set like a trend for other directors to follow. This time, they'll step it up, and we could take the spot back. I mean, we still have a lot of work to do, but, hopefully, everybody, they learn from each movie, because as a director, I think a director should like you have to watch other movies to know, like what's your plans, because you can watch a movie and you learn a lot from it. Where the other director may have done mistakes, then you see it in your head. You can learn from his mistakes and from his well doings as well. So I mean, we have a long way to go, but I think we're on the right track.
Role model mwen c'est mkadi Ali Berry. Cause I know I'm a Ali Berry, a Haitian Ali Berry. Let me stop. Okay, I had a great time on set. It was a nice experience for me. To my fans, thank you so much. Keep buying the Haitian movies, because if you don't, we won't be able to just...
My two favorite actors are Al Pacino and Robert De Niro. But right after that, I would say that the number one person I look up to, as far as in the acting industry, would have to be Denzel Washington. I mean, he's the man. I mean, everything is just on point. He can play any character, any role. I mean, la suite m'ka même j'avais on joue, I'd just like to thank everybody, for giving me this opportunity. I'd like to thank the fans, that went out and bought this DVD and watched the movie. M'apprécie ça un peu. And for anybody, that thought about acting before in their life, as a career, you should pursue it. It's a beautiful thing, You learn a lot. It's a beautiful thing, I'd just like to say thank you again. Thank God for making this possible. My family and friends that support me. My girlfriend, I love you, Liz.
And my director, I have to thank him, actually. And I'm saying this especially to Mr. Samuel Vincent. I have to thank him for his patience that he had with me, and also his beautiful wife. That also, I had a lot of patience, because I know I actually put them through a lot of things in life. During the movie, and they were there and they were very cooperative with me, and they honestly just was really patient to work with a person like me.
I wanna send a shout out to my sisters. You supported my pile, and my two sons, Nate and O'Neill. Hey guys. Yes, you toujours, les ap gade sa mwen fè, toujours supporter. You dit, my mommy is an Haitian actress. I'm like, hey, I love my babies. I love you guys. That's about it. Hopefully I'll see you next time. Bye.